here at the world-renowned Sugar Mill Gardens. Okay, Dunlutton Sugar Mill Gardens. So, alright, read the rules quick. This is it. Septic drain fee. In other words, this is a septic drain here, but this is a little tiny little house. People can get married here. It's a pretty nice place. So I got here before they close. They close at 5, except for the holidays. But today is holiday, but they're not closed. Staying up until 5. But just a nice little area. Beautiful. I like this little area here. Let me see if I can put it this way. It's a very, very nice little area. It's called the Flower Circle. Let's just enjoy this. Sharing this with you all. Now this is pretty cool, isn't it? Let's continue. Let's keep going. It's a really cool area. Pretty cool. This is Danger Dinosaur Crossing. Just a fake dinosaur made out of concrete. Very nice, isn't it? I enjoy it. Alright, so this is called Bongo Land. Several attempts were made to operate Dunlutton Plantation as a tourist attraction in the 1950s. Dr. Perry Sperber leased the premises from J. Sasson Lloyd for a park to display prehistoric monsters, and had a number of replicas modeled in concrete on wire frames constructed. The park was called Bongo Land in honor of large baboon housed on the ground in Indian Village was also reproduced, and a small train carried visitors around, but the day of the theme parks had not yet come, and Bongo Land was closed like a public interests. Very interesting. So this was going to be in a theme park originally a while back. So that's pretty cool. Pretty cool to know. So I'm just going to be showing parts of this place. Just due to all respect to other visitors coming over in their experience of this beautiful place here. So let's go this way. Let's see what we got over here. This is very cool to have a kind of like a theme for like a little theme of like a TV show or something, like a Naked and Afraid and all that. That'd be, something like that. But the only problem is it's too close to civilization. They don't want to do that. So, but this is cool. So I'm gonna see y'all on the other end here. So let's end to this pathway. Actually, kind of goes to someone's backyard. So we're gonna see where we can cut across. Yeah, that's like someone's backyard right here. This way, see a fence is there. So, in all respect, let me get away from this area. Alright, so one thing I forgot to mention too, you gotta be careful with the poison oak. They do have poison oak around here. And it is part of the It is part of the caution signs, so that they want no dogs come in, no food, no water, no drinks, and you also might get wet by sprinklers. Don't worry, sprinklers are not gonna care of you. But yeah, it's a pretty neat area. I mean, it's far south too. Holy crap! Camera just got wet by a couple, but we gotta wipe the camera off and get away from this area, so I'm gonna go get wet anymore. Try to avoid this area. Alright, so the part of the area I'm going to, you're allowed to have weddings here. Not big ones. Some, I would say maybe 60, maybe a very small wedding, but this is where they will hold the weddings. It's not bad. I mean, if you're having a small wedding, this is beautiful. Not during the fall, but more during the springtime, because these trees do blossom. They do. It's beautiful. Let's keep going. Let me show you why they call it Sugar Mill Gardens, because there's an actual mill, and actually when you're walking around here, you see all little bits and pieces from the old sugar mill plantation. That's what is. This is actually was a plantation at first. Sugar was actually produced here in Florida, here in Port Orange, Florida, which is just about maybe 20 minutes out of Daytona Beach, Florida. And yeah, and there's actually a train station nearby, railroad tracks, and the railroad tracks are nearby because of this plantation. That's how they exported. One of the ways they exported the goods was by train, and exporting the goods outside the country by cargo ships. Not much to see there, just trees and all, but let's take a look on the other side. So one thing too I forgot to mention is there's a lot of social distancing here. You don't have to worry about that, and also you don't have to pay to get in. It is free, but they do accept donations. So if you want to donate, this not only goes to here, but it goes to the county that operates this garden here, the plantation here, the plantation garden. It helps them keep everything up to date, keep everything beautiful, which is what they're doing here. As we see by this is like a brand new fence actually that have been donated, but still very nice. So here is the gardens, the sugar mill itself. Let's take pictures. So yes, and in all due respect, I don't have the people being around, I don't want to ruin anything for them. So the sugar mill was actually built here back in the 1800s by the Spanish settlers. I kind of figured that because Spanish settlers did settle here in Florida. St. Augustine is one of the biggest ones. Settlement. So, well, all right. So I'm gonna head back in the car. So and do a little bit more talking in there, and we'll just go from there. Hey everyone, I hope you enjoyed the video. That was Sugar Mill Gardens. There's been portions I had to take just pictures because I don't want to disrupt anybody else's visit. I try to stay as low voice as possible. But there was just a couple people there, and I'm like, you know what? Let me just take the pictures in this area because I don't want them to be mad that I am ruining their experience. So I was just, out of respect to them, and they appreciated it. They actually said thank you for me to just take pictures. So I'm like, yeah. But they didn't mind the video. It's just out of respect for people, which I do have a lot of respect for people here, and everywhere. So this place is awesome. Like I said in the video earlier in the video, you do not have to pay anything. It's free. Parking is free. If you want, you can donate money to the Sugar Mill Gardens here, which goes to the the county that operates it, and they do use that money to make not just this place beautiful, but other historic places that they own beautiful and everything. As you see, they had like new little fences and stuff, so which was awesome. It was beautiful too. So other than that, it is beautiful. It is awesome. As far as masks, you don't have to wear masks when you're there. You don't have to. I would have required to wear one. You know, just a recommendation, not a requirement. Sorry, a recommendation just to wear one. Just because, you know, it's just to show people that you're respecting them as they are trying to respect you. I've seen a couple people there with masks. Some people don't, but there's so much space. People can just like spread apart and everything. But they were social distancing. Everyone was keeping their spaces 6 feet apart plus, which was good. You know, and but it's a beautiful place, especially if you just want to, you know, if you're just in town and you just want to calm down a little bit, just stop here. They're open from I believe it was from 6 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday to every day, except for some holidays like Thanksgiving and Christmas. They will be closed on those days. And don't feel bad if you can't take pictures, because you can. You can take pictures and stuff like that. I read the warning signs and everything. There's nothing in there that says you can't take pictures or videos. So I respected their requirements, especially the warnings and stuff like that. So so with that being said, if you have you know, this is a great video. I didn't get all of the whole entire place because I don't want to ruin it for everybody. I just want to show you all the beautiful place here, which is actually not that far from where I live. It's actually at least a minimum of 20 minutes away from Daytona Beach. So if you're visiting Daytona Beach and you have some time on your hands to spare, check this place out. Go for it. It's awesome. Minimum, you can probably spend at least a minimum of 15 minutes, or plus, you know, but that all depends on how you are. It was a great trip. I enjoyed it here. So just in case y'all didn't know, we have started a Patreon page. The Patreon page, I will post a link in the description below. To become Patreon, you can just click on the link and it will tell you what you can do. We will use, you know, whatever you can get, whatever you want to give us wisely. We'll use it for new equipment, and also use it for new adventures. We will definitely use it for good, you know, it'll be in good use. That's all I can say. We'll just use that for whatever adventures we have coming up next. So if you are a Patreon, which I've checked earlier today, there was none, but if you are a Patreon, thank you so much for supporting us. If you are a subscriber, thank you all so much too for supporting us. If you are not a subscriber, please click the link down below, the subscription link down below. Click the bell notification if you have not. By clicking that bell notification, you'll be updated on every new video that we come out with. And also, you can leave a comment down below if you want, and also click that thumbs up button, because the more thumbs up we get on our videos, the more views we can get, and the more subscribers we can get, and this will definitely help our channel out, because we are a small channel. We do appreciate everybody that is supporting us right now. I hope you enjoyed this video. The next one will probably next weekend, unless there's some major milestone update I need to do or whatnot. Then that's just about it. I will have a video up next Sunday. I can guarantee it will be Sunday at the end of the day. I'm gonna try to get everything up before 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So, because there's gonna be a lot of editing I might need to do. Because we may or may not go to SeaWorld, we may or may not go someplace else. Right now, it is a surprise. So, unless if we do know where we're going, we will try to inform you all as much as we can. So, Thank you all so much for watching this video, and hope you all have a great day, fantastic day. Stay safe, stay healthy, and have a wonderful day, everybody. All right, take care.